Welcome to Shree, your mentor, your go-to destination for mastering communication skills. We're thrilled to have you here today as we delve into the world of group discussions. So grab a seat, grab a snack, and let's embark on this learning journey together. Group discussions are a common part of many selection processes, especially for academic admissions and job interviews. Group discussions are important because they encourage teamwork and sharing of ideas, improve communication skills, foster critical thinking and problem solving, build confidence in expressing opinions, provide opportunities for learning from others, promote respect for diverse perspectives, help in decision making through constructive debates, offer valuable feedback for personal growth. In essence, group discussions facilitate learning, collaboration, and skill development in a supportive environment.
In the group discussion room.
Alright, everyone, before we start our group discussion, let's go over some key things to remember. Point number 1. Understanding the topic. It's crucial to grasp what we're discussing. What are some strategies you use to ensure you understand a topic before jumping into a discussion?
I usually read up on the topic beforehand and try to identify key points or arguments.
Great approach. Now, point number 2. Active listening. It's important to really hear what others are saying. How do you ensure you're actively listening during a group discussion?
I make sure to maintain eye contact with the speaker and nod along to show that I'm following their points.
Excellent. Moving on to point number 3. Respecting others' views. Even if you disagree, it's essential to respect differing opinions. How do you show respect for others' views during a discussion?
I try to avoid interrupting and wait for my turn to speak. It's important to give everyone a chance to voice their thoughts.
Well said. Now, point number 4. Body language. Your nonverbal cues can speak volumes in a discussion. How do you ensure your body language is positive and engaged?
I sit up straight and lean slightly forward to show I'm attentive and interested in the discussion.
That's a great way to convey engagement. Point number 5. Staying calm and confident. It's normal for discussions to get heated, but it's essential to remain composed. How do you keep your cool during a lively discussion?
I take deep breaths and remind myself to focus on the topic rather than getting caught up in emotions.
Wise strategy. Point number 6. Time management. It's crucial to contribute meaningfully while also allowing others a chance to speak. How do you strike a balance between sharing your thoughts and giving others the floor?
I try to make my points concisely and avoid going off on tangents to ensure there's enough time for others to speak.
That's a considerate approach. Lastly, point number 7. Summarizing and concluding. It's important to wrap up the discussion neatly. How do you ensure your closing remarks effectively summarize the key points discussed?
I like to sum up what we've talked about and share one last thought to end the discussion nicely.
Fantastic. Now that we've covered these key points, let's put them into practice in our group discussion. Remember, keep these strategies in mind as we engage in the conversation. Let's begin.
The end.
Here are some key learnings from the dialogue. Number 1. Topic understanding, grasp it thoroughly. Number 2. Active listening, engage with speakers. Number 3. Respect others' views, value diversity. Number 4. Body language, convey engagement. Number 5. Time management, balance participation. And number 6. Summarize. Looking to crack your next group discussion or personal interview? Our guidebook has got you covered. But before you dive in, what's one burning question you have about GD/PI sessions? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the link in the description box to get your hands on our ultimate preparation resource. That's a wrap for today's session on group discussions. We hope you found these insights helpful and are now ready to tackle your next group discussion with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shree, your mentor, for more valuable tips and tricks on communication skills. Until next time, keep learning and growing.